Ever felt that mushy pedal feel in your custom build, or just needed a rock-solid foundation for your controls? This isn't just another pedal. It's a complete overhaul for your driving experience, and we're diving deep into the floor-mounted pedal assembly with a 3/4 master cylinder, a CNC replacement designed for everything from dune buggies to ATVs. When you hear CNC replacement, you immediately think precision, and this unit absolutely delivers. It's not just about looking good. It's about engineered strength and consistent performance that you can feel every time you hit the pedal. That 3/4 master cylinder isn't just a number. It's the heart of responsive braking or smooth clutch engagement. Whether you're slamming the brakes on a sandy trail or feathering the clutch for a tricky climb, you'll feel the direct connection and the immediate response this setup provides. It truly transforms a potentially vague or inconsistent control into something precise and confidence-inspiring. The floor-mounted design is a huge win for custom builds. It simplifies installation, often freeing up valuable firewall space, and provides a sturdy, ergonomic platform that feels natural and comfortable underfoot. No more flimsy, wobbly pedals. This thing is planted, giving you the stability you need when you're pushing your vehicle to its limits. And the versatility. It's incredible. Dune bug, buggy, Sandrill, ATV, Baja bug, trike. If it's an off-road or custom project, chances are this assembly is a perfect fit. It speaks to a universal need for reliable, high-performance controls in demanding environments, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. They've even thought about the small but crucial details, like being tapped for 1/8 NPT. This means connecting your brake or clutch lines is straightforward, saving you headaches and extra trips to the hardware store. It's those little touches that show genuine understanding of what builders and enthusiasts truly need in a high-performance component. For anyone building from scratch or looking to replace a worn-out, inferior stock unit, this CNC replacement is a game-changer. It's built to withstand the abuse that off-road vehicles dish out, ensuring longevity and consistent performance where it matters most. You're not just pressing a pedal, you're commanding your machine with authority and confidence. Overall, this floor-mounted pedal assembly isn't just a component. It's an upgrade that elevates the entire driving experience. It's a robust, well-engineered solution that brings precision and reliability to your custom build, making every drive more controlled and enjoyable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.